Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology for MBBS. Begin by grasping the core concepts rather than just memorizing facts. It's crucial to integrate what you learn in physiology with anatomy and biochemistry to build a comprehensive understanding. Always consider the clinical relevance of each physiological process. This approach will make your learning more meaningful and applicable. This foundational understanding is key to mastering the subject. To study effectively, create flowcharts and diagrams. These visual aids simplify complex physiological pathways. Active recall is a powerful technique, so test yourself frequently with flashcards or practice questions. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging concepts with classmates helps solidify your understanding and exposes you to different perspectives, making learning more dynamic and engaging. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful for your physiology studies, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. And on another note, why not bring your study space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It can play some relaxing music while you hit the books. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For comprehensive study, rely on standard textbooks such as Ganong's or Guyton and Hall. These provide the necessary depth and detail. Supplement your reading with online lectures and video tutorials, which can often clarify complex topics visually. Additionally, practicing with past year question papers is essential. This helps you understand the exam pattern, identify high-yield areas, and manage your time efficiently during tests. Always strive to connect physiological concepts to clinical conditions. This makes the subject more engaging and relevant for future medical practice. Consistent revision is paramount for long-term retention, so schedule regular review sessions. When preparing for exams, prioritize high-yield areas. Focusing on these key topics ensures you allocate your study time wisely, maximizing your chances of success and building a strong knowledge base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.